If you live in the northern hemisphere, then you know that this is sweater season. As it gets colder, the demand for sweaters and hoodies really goes up. And sweaters and hoodies are a perfect gift for people, especially around Christmas. All you have to do is go to Google Trends, and if you're searching in the US, you'll see that trend for sweatshirts go up, even if you looked at a 5-year trend. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the trending sweatshirts on Etsy at the moment. All you have to do is go into product analytics for Everbee, and you'll see the sweatshirt appear right at the top. They've made monthly sales of over 1,700, and yet they've only been open for 13 months. And I believe when you read their listing there, they're the original makers of this design. So their design is made using embroidery, and it looks so good. I just really love the colors that they've used there. But since I don't have an embroidery machine and I love my Cricut machine, I'm going to show you how I made a sweatshirt for my friend using this design. So my friend recently turned 40, and I just wanted to wish her a happy birthday by making this really custom personalized sweatshirt. And this trend, or this design, was also trending around Mother's Day, where you had mom printed at the front, and then the initials of her children on the sleeve. So in this case, what I've done is I've cut 1983 in Roman numerals, and then I've also cut the initials of all her daughters and just a heart to show and to remind her every day of how much she's loved and how much she's adored by her daughters. So I'm just here weeding. I'm using the gold glitter vinyl, which is one of my favorites because it really stands out on any fabric, especially on sweatshirts. So here I'm just now looking at the hoodie and trying to think how I will place the decals onto that hoodie. So I've seen this design done in a few different ways. Sometimes the year is put a little bit up near the shoulder, but I'll just stick with the left chest alignment for this design. So I love using my Maker's Gonna Learn Cricut reference guide just to check the heat temperature settings for my heat press. So that just gives you a good indication of what temperature and time to set on the heat press. And here I'm going in with the lint roller to remove any lint from the hoodie. And I'm just also preparing the right sleeve where I'll be putting the initials of all her daughters. And then now we'll just press the vinyl onto the hoodie. So that's just really how I would do it if I was doing it on my Cricut machine. And it looks perfect. My friend totally loved this gift. It's unique, and she'll wear it all the time when she goes out for a walk, or when she's just at home watching TV or watching the kids' footy, or whatever she's out and about doing. But one other thing to note is if you wanted to do this as a business, you could sell these using one of the print-on-demand suppliers like Printful or Printify. Printify don't actually do embroidery on hoodies or sweatshirts, but Printful do embroidery on hoodies. So check them out. So if you don't know what print on demand is business model where you design the products and then a different company makes and ships those for you. You should totally check out Printify and Printful if you consider going down this route. But if you do have an embroidery machine, I hope you try making this, or even if you've got a Cricut machine like I did, it's a really fun, easy, and personalized gift that your family members would love. Good luck.